Hello, little friends. Today, I'm going to share a heartwarming story from the lively jungle. Once upon a time, four playful monkeys were having a blast near the big mango tree. They were laughing, jumping around, and enjoying their day. Suddenly, a small baby elephant waddled over to them, his trunk swinging with excitement. "Hi, can I play with you?" the baby elephant asked eagerly. The monkeys paused and looked at him. Then they burst out laughing. "You're too big and clumsy to play with us," teased one monkey. Another added, "What if you trip and crush the game?" The baby elephant's smile faded and tears welled up in his eyes. He slowly walked away, feeling hurt and alone. Nearby, the baby elephant's mother saw what happened. She felt sad for her little one, but also wanted to teach the monkeys an important lesson. She leaned down and whispered to her baby, "Don't worry, my dear. Let's show them something special only you can do." The mother elephant led her baby back to the monkeys. "Why don't you all play a game of tug-of-war with my little one?" she suggested with a smile. The monkeys giggled. "That's easy. We'll win for sure." The baby elephant grabbed one end of the vine with his trunk, and the monkeys held the other end. "Ready, set, pull!" shouted the mother elephant. The monkeys tugged with all their might, but the baby elephant didn't budge. With a gentle pull of his trunk, the baby elephant easily pulled all four monkeys toward him. They tumbled into a heap, laughing in surprise. The mother elephant said kindly, "See, everyone has strengths and weaknesses. It's not fair to make fun of someone just because they're different." The monkeys felt ashamed of their behavior. "We're sorry," said one monkey. "We didn't mean to hurt you. Will you play with us now?" The baby elephant's eyes lit up. "Of course." From that day on, the monkeys and the baby elephant became the best of friends. They played games together, learning to celebrate each other's unique talents. The end. Remember, friends, always be kind and celebrate each other's differences.